Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I just want to make this quick video because I believe that this would help a lot of people, especially those who are just starting out with their Shopify stores. I was amazed about this cool feature of Shopify that enabled me to have additional earnings of $744.36 year to date without having to pay for any apps or any kind of service. It's just a free feature of Shopify that you just have to enable. This is called the online tipping option of Shopify. They just rolled this out this year, specifically last May, when restaurants started to accept more online orders. Deliveries are much more, like, delivery volumes are much higher as compared to normal because of the lockdown and everything. Basically, it would allow you to accept tips from your customers. So you don't have to be a restaurant, you don't have to be a cafe. You can just be a store selling physical products. You could sell like baby products or anything like that. Or if you are partnered up with a foundation or a charity company, you could also accept donations through this feature. So let me just walk you through it. So you just have to go to your settings page. So this is from one of my stores. Okay, so go to your settings and you go to checkout. You choose checkout and you go scroll down below, and basically you'll see here the tipping there. So it says here, include the option for customers to add a tip at checkout. So basically, when I checked the store, the option is actually unchecked. So I think the default option is unchecked, or this is not enabled automatically. So you have to enable it manually. So basically, it's just a tick box away. You just have to tick the box and you just have to customize the tip options. So you could give, for example, the lowest tip option would be 10, so you just have to customize it 10, 15, and 20. So it's in percentage. So for example, a customer buys a $100 product and they select an option of 10%, it will be, their total bill will be $110. If you want to see how it looks like on the checkout page, so it will look like this. This is just in pesos, one of my stores. So as you can see, it automatically calculates the amount of money that they will be tipping. So for example, 10% it would be 49.50 cents, 15% would be 74.25, and the 20% would be 99 pesos. So for example here, it would add up here, right, in the bill. You could also your customers could also give custom tips if they're being very generous. You could give, like, let's say 1,000 pesos. Okay, but it has limits. You cannot tip more than the amount of money that you are buying. So for example, the product on my cart is 495 pesos. So let's say, example, 100% tip. Alright, so okay, the website accepts double the amount, or 100% tips. So yeah, I hope that would be very helpful for you guys, and that will enable you to maximize your earnings, especially this holiday season. Also, if you're supporting any charity cause or charity foundation, or percentage of your sales goes to good cause, then this would be a good feature that you could enable, and I'm pretty sure that your customers would appreciate And if your customers are not feeling generous, they could always just choose none, no tip. So, and that's fine, right? Alright, so I'll see you guys on the next video. So if you have any more requests for me, if you guys want to know more about Shopify features or Shopify apps that you want me to review, make sure to comment down it below. And hoping everyone is having a busy Christmas season. I hope that your orders are coming in left and right. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to give this a like, because that helps me make more sales here. And I hope that you guys are all staying safe and healthy. Bye!